Sadie, you ready? Morgan, you ready?
Ready. Do you want your phone?
I'm ready.
Here.
Yeah, I'll take it. We have officially made it to the Grand Canyon. This parking lot is insane. There are people everywhere. But we've made it here, and we're gonna do some exploring here for, we're not gonna stay too long, just a couple hours. Nice.
I said that would happen.
Great job.
Thank you.
I was wearing my flip-flops, so I had to throw on the hiking boots.
Hugger.
We're ready to go.
Ready to go?
Sadie's ready to go.
She is. Her say, Mom, what are we doing? I can't. Your feet aren't that hot if she's stopping.
I know. Well, and look, there's a dog up here too. So many new smells. Come on. Oh, our first overlook. This is what the Grand Canyon's all about. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, Morgan. Oh, wow. Look at that. It doesn't do it justice. Let's go to the overlook. This is, what do you think of this?
Oh my gosh. How is it possible? That's what I think of it.
How is this possible?
Yeah. Here.
What?
I just need to put that in the side pocket or something.
I got it. Hey, let's go to the overlook. Oh my gosh. It's even more stunning than the pictures. I mean, just look at that.
Get our bag right there. No,
Oh.
I see a little crack.
I got your picture with you and Sadie. Will you get our picture, please?
And let's find someone to get both of ours. You know, I can safely say, you know, a lot of things in this world are overhyped. This is not overhyped. This is 100,000,000% worth it. Like, oh, there goes a squirrel. Sadie's on alert.
Let's walk.
Oh, you want me to carry the backpack?
I got it for now.
Okay.
Come on, Sadie.
It's a little hot today, isn't it, Sadie?
It's hot.
It's only 90 degrees, but the concrete's hot. So we have to stop for paw breaks.
She's doing pretty good. I felt it with my hand, and it's not unbearable.
Yeah.
But all that to say, I'm not going to make her stay in one spot without shade.
Yeah.
Hoy sí le voy a aceptar la foto. Sí. A ver si
How do I? Here it is. Making our way down. Oh, this is cool. This is too cool. It's actually pretty steep down. It's not bad though. Whoa. This is crazy. All right, let's make our way to the end. Morgan's up there. It's nice, cool breeze. And look at those views. Oh, the colors, the layers. How can there not be a creator? Look at this. That is just unbelievable. And it's a beautiful day for it. And that's a long way down. All right, well that was super sweet. I guess let's head back to the top. Let's see if we can do this. First one down. Oh.
Yeah, not like that. I think you should have taken this route.
It's a long way down there.
Sorry, I'm lame.
I'm wore out.
I'm not.
Uh-oh.
I also know my boundaries.
That was freaking cool.
Yeah, I'll have to take you guys to the
I mean, if you're that wore out, I would be dying.
Going down was the easy part.
Yeah, that's not what I'm worried about. Stupid.
This is...
I took one look at this first place right here. Show them. Go ahead. Show them where your feet are hanging off. Yeah.
Oh, this is...
That one little look, and I was like, I'm good.
This is the worst part right here. Once you get down there where that lady is in the red hat, it's easy. Could you see me when I dropped down?
Yes.
Dang it.
Well, I mean, I could see just the top of your head.
Okay, good. Oh, man.
That's when I wanted the big lens.
Breathtaking.